Hi, how are you all? Welcome to another video in the Tool by Tool series from Adobe Animate. Today we'll talk about the Free Transform tool. Free Transform tool is a tool with which you can rotate, resize, etc. Can skew and distort. Its icon looks like a square in the corner of a small box. Let me show you, with the Selection tool, which is the tool at the bottom. This is the Free Transform tool and its shortcut is Q. If you press Q, it will become active. Otherwise you can simply click on it once. We clicked. We're in the Free Transform tool. But now you will say that its icon has not changed. Yes, so it works when we have some artwork or shape created. First of all, we have to create a shape or object. So I'll create a circle here with the oval tool. Now I press Q again to activate the Free Transform tool. You can also simply click from here. But for better and faster workflow, learn to use shortcuts. Press Q and it comes to the Free Transform tool. Now as soon as we select the whole object. So see, a border has been formed around the object. You can expand it by holding this corner. You can skew it or modify it in any way you like. If you want me to rotate it. So as soon as you move the shape to the corner, then the rotate option comes. You can hold it and rotate it in this manner. If you do Ctrl+Z, then it will return to its previous shape. Now you can grab the anchor point and drag it around. With this you can also distort the shape. Now watch, I'm going to move the arrow to this corner. And I'll press Ctrl and drag. So we can distort it. If you increase or decrease the value by pressing Shift. So the shape will be smaller or bigger in proportion. Without pressing Shift, the shape may get distorted. So it will be better if you do it with Shift. Now let's create a new rectangle. I picked it up and kept it here. Now we will press Q again. Now look, grab this corner and pull it a little. So you can skew, distort, and rotate everything else. If we select this whole thing and rotate with Shift. So it will rotate in an interval of 15 degrees. You can stop wherever you want without Shift. But with Shift it will lock and rotate. When you drag with Ctrl, then the shape will get disturbed. With this you can create any custom shape. Now let us see a small example. I don't want to have a stroke. Right now a stroke of black color is visible. Go to Properties. Click on Stroke and select the None option above. Now whatever shape you create will only have fill. Now, let us draw a rectangle. Keep it level from the bottom. Then press Q and go to the Free Transform tool. Now let's distort this rectangle with Ctrl. Let's draw a line with the Line tool. Now the complete art has started taking shape. Let's select it and make it a little smaller. Then you can modify it further using Free Transform. Make the color a little darker. Fill it, this, and this. Now you can select the outlines and delete them. Or you can select the entire object and make stroke none. And look, brother. Built a nice building in just a few seconds. So this was the Free Transform tool. It is a very powerful and necessary tool. In the next video, we will talk about another amazing tool of Adobe Animate. If you liked the video, so do like and share. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe. I will meet you in the next class. Bye bye and take care.